Hey problem solvers, quick video on finding the derivative of one thing divided by another thing. So the derivative is going to be the slope of that function, and for this derivative right here we have to use a quotient rule. So the quotient rule is saying I'm going to assign my numerator the term u, my denominator the term v, and then I'm going to use a quotient rule to find the derivative of that. So the quotient rule is saying the derivative is the bottom term times the derivative of the top term minus the top term times the derivative of the bottom term, all divided by v squared. So if v is this right here, I'm just going to write this in. I'm going to say the derivative of my function is equal to v x minus 1 times the derivative of my numerator, this right here. Here I'm using the power rule. 2 comes down in front, subtract 1 to get 2x, minus my u term, x squared, times the derivative of my bottom term. This is x to the first, 1 comes down in front, so the derivative of this is just 1. In the denominator here, I have v squared, x minus 1, quantity squared. And I could probably clean this up a little bit. So the derivative of this function is equal to 2x times x, 2x squared, minus 2x minus x squared, all over x minus 1 quantity squared, 2x squared minus 1x squared. So my derivative is, combining similar terms, x squared minus 2x over x minus 1 quantity squared. I have a common term here, x. I could factor that x out in front to get x minus 2 over x minus 1 times x minus 1. I don't think there's anything else I could do. So the derivative of this function using the quotient rule is this right here. If you were asked to find the slope of this function at a point, like what is the slope of this function? What is the slope of this function at 4? You would take the derivative and plug 4 into there. So the derivative, the slope of that function at 4 is equal to 4 times 4 minus 2 all over 4 minus 1, 3 squared, right? 4 minus 1, 3 squared. So this is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So the slope at the point 4 is equal to 8/9.